Good day. In today's video, we will be discussing the global city. Let us first discuss the objectives. Number one, gain fuller and more solid understanding about the concept of global city and other ideas associated with it. Number two, to appreciate the importance of global city to the Philippines as a developing country. Number three, to create a simulation video that would make Metro Manila as a global city. Okay, so I'd like you to analyze this picture. What can you say about this picture? Yes, it is a representation of a pack of wolves. Now at the center, you will note that probably the one the one at the center is the alpha wolf. So what is an alpha? An alpha, according to the Urban Dictionary, is the highest level in group or the best. Now what is the relationship of the word alpha to our topic? So we have alpha and our topic is all about global city. So we'll try to find out uh, the global city as an alpha city, right? So let us try to analyze this statement coming from Confucius. Let me read it for you. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. So how do you understand or how do you comprehend the statement coming from Confucius? Yes, for you to be able to achieve success, you need to take step one. So it only means and it only signifies that success is a step by step process. All right. So again, I'd like you to observe this picture. This picture is a clear representation of what a global city is. Okay, so based on the picture, we can say that a global city is a global city is composed of tall buildings. A global city is a composure of uh, development in technology. All right. So, what is a global city? So, a global city is, according to Alderson and Beckfield in 2004, it is otherwise known as an alpha city or a world center. So, according to Brenner in 1998, it pertains to an urban center that enjoys significant competitive advantage and that serves as a hub within a globalized economic system. So, it is the center of trade and technological advancement in a particular country. So, in effect, a global city serves as an important focal point for business, global trade, finance, tourism, for globalization to exist. That's according to Sase. So, next, now what are the characteristics of a global city? As mentioned, one characteristic of a global city is number one, advancement in technology. Two, there is a flourishing economic development. Okay, so next, let's try to answer the following questions. Okay, describe what a global city is in in one word. Yes, advance, develop. What else? Rich. Now, how do global city affects the whole country? Now, as mentioned, a global city is a city that projects progress. Now, if a particular city exists in a country, therefore, uh, that country will be will somehow be popularized in different media entities. So, how important global city in a developing country like the Philippines? Side example. So, for the Philippines, we are considered as a developing country. So, a global city will serve as a model for other cities to emulate. So, meaning those cities in the Philippines that needed progress, uh, will likewise be motivated to move on becoming a global city. So, how will global city be helpful to an ordinary citizen? A global city provides employment opportunities for different forms of businesses. Okay, so for you now to assess this very short discussion, uh, I will be assigning you to do this particular task. You have to create a simulation video of how Metro Manila would appear as a global city and share the link to your professor's email address for grading. Okay, so do you have any more questions? Class dismissed. Bye bye.